Hello everyone, I am Deepika and I am here to discuss about the Bangladesh scrap market trend. The country is going to ramp up its steel melting capacity from 9 million ton to 13 million ton by 2025. The country is the sixth largest ferrous scrap importing country in the world. The Bangladeshi steel industry prefer secondary steel making process to produce steel which uses scrap and sponge iron as a basic raw material. Due to the increasing demand of steel, cement and power in the upcoming infrastructure projects, the Bangladeshi steel mills have already started working to expand their existing steel melting capacities. It is even more interesting to know that some of the big groups of Bangladesh like Basundhara, Meghna and Akiz are all set to enter into the steel industry. During a recent visit by the Steelment team to Bangladesh, we came to know that the renowned steel producers like BSRM, AKS, GPH and many other are setting up additional capacities and facilities to cater to the government-funded infrastructure projects in the coming years. In line with this, the Basundhara Group is installing new electric arc furnace capacity of 1.2 million ton in the first phase and 2.2 million ton DRI in the second phase. Meghna is expanding EAF capacity by 1 million ton and AKS and Unitex by 0.8 million ton each. BSRM by 0.5 million ton whereas Akiz by 0.3 million ton. So now the question arises, what led to such a massive expansion in the steel industry? First, Bangladesh is an emerging economy whose GDP growth rate is projected at 6.4% for financial year 2023 by the World Bank, which is one of the highest in the world post-COVID times. Secondly, increasing steel demand in Bangladesh may remain supported mainly by the government-funded infrastructure projects which were launched to stimulate the economy that was hit hard by the COVID-19. Projects such as Ashray, Metro Rail, Karanfuli Tunnel and the elevated expressway from Dhaka Airport to Katubkali may speed up infrastructure construction. Hence, scrap demand is also likely to remain supported this year as well as in 2023. Thirdly, due to inadequate port facilities in the country, large ships were unable to enter Chittagong port. However, the Bangladesh government had started working on projects such as Matarbari Deep Sea Port, which was estimated to be completed by 2026. Once these projects are completed, steel manufacturer will be able to import scrap more easily, which will ultimately speed up their production. So now let me quickly take you through some expert opinions from the market. Over the past 5 years, Bangladesh has become an integral part of ferrous scrap trades in the South Asian region. As new steel capacity came on stream, scrap suppliers like us look forward to continuing our close relationship with the country in the year ahead, stated by Zain Nathani, Director of Nathani Groups of Company, India. Sanjoy Ghosh, Head of Supply Chain at BSRM, said, "Steel industries in Bangladesh are entering new phase amid the higher demand forecasted in line with the projected economic growth plan. Despite the current global economic turmoil scenario, all major plants have initiated plans to enhance capacity. Also, new players are trying to make a footprint in the market to cater the future demand. So, challenging times lie ahead in the entire steel industry." So let's talk about the Bangladesh imported scrap market scenario. Bangladesh is a country which is entirely dependent on scrap for steel making. Bangladesh's total ferrous scrap imports in H1 amounted to 2.83 million tons, up by 53% against 1.85 million tons seen in the same period in 2021. Currently, the imported scrap market in Bangladesh is witnessing a drop in prices in terms of both container and bulk material. There is one bulk cargo heard to have been booked from Australia, New Zealand, apart from Japan's July 2022 Kanto tender booking. Sources reveal that major mills have not booked any container material for the last 3 to 4 months. As Bangladesh is eyeing over 6% GDP growth rate in the current year, it is making a noticeable and constant focus on the infrastructural spending to meet the rising demand of steel. However, it will be interesting to see the demand will remain supportive in the upcoming steel capacities.
For more such updates, please join us on our third Bangladesh event to know whether Bangladesh scrap imports will touch 6 million ton by 2025.